Hello everyone, welcome back to Dollars Spoken. This is Sumito speaking. So how are you guys? I hope you'll be doing great. So today I came yet a new another topic, and definitely this video will be helpful for you. So I have a one question for you that do you want to also speak English in just 6 days? Sounds impossible, right? But don't worry guys. I came some plans. If you follow these plans, then definitely you will speak English confidently within a week. So stay till the end. But before starting this video, if you didn't subscribe my channel, so please subscribe and share with your friends and your loved ones. And if my video is really helpful for me, so please guys please grow my channel, and comment if you have any question. And if you want to also know that you have to make on this topic of video, then definitely I will make on video, right? So let's dive in. So guys, what you have to do from day one, start with basic sentences like what's your name, what you are doing, how are you doing, and where you are from. So start using these phrases, and don't only read, try to speak, because if you are only reading, so it will be never gonna work. You have to read out loud. And also you can do one thing, like throughout the day, uh, you can talk in front of the mirror, and also you can greet people. Then you can easily articulate yourself, right? So I hope you'll be understood. So let's move to our day 2 plan. So guys, day number 2, what you have to do, learn 50 common English words. Like you'll be thinking that which one words that I have to learn 50. So you have to also like overuse the word which is which is we are using day by day, just like so, and the thank you, sorry, excuse me, bad, big, good, expensive, so many words. So you can learn 50 words. And one thing that you can do, like try to use flashcards and stick it out on your wall. And you can easily learn, you can easily recognize the word, and you can easily speak, right? So if you will do like learn 50 words, then definitely your vocab will be improved, and you have a good vocab in your mind, right? And if you have a good vocab, then you can easily articulate yourself, right? So I hope you understand. So let's move to our next day plan. So guys, on day 3, you have to do one thing, that you have to master your pronunciation, because in English we have to, pronunciation is matters, because when you are speaking in any word, so it means that you have to speak clearly, that people can easily understand. So what you have to do in that, you can improve your pronunciation. Simple, like you can practice tongue twisters, like red lorry, yellow lorry, red lorry, yellow lorry, right? So because when you practice tongue twisters, then your tongue then you'll be able to smoothly express yourself, right? So you can also search on the Google, like there are plenty of tongue twisters, so you will get a list, and you can easily learn and practice at least 20 minutes a day. You can practice one tongue twister, and you can see how you'll be started speaking smoothly, right? So I hope you understand. So let's move to our next day plan. And guys, finally we came our day 4 plan. So on day 4, you have to do like listen and imitate. So you'll be thinking what I have to listen and how to imitate. So like nowadays on YouTube, and on like there are so many OTT platforms, like Netflix, Amazon Prime. And if you don't have any subscription, so it's okay, you can also go on YouTube, and you can search like English podcast, English everyday, English conversation, English movies. So you have to see and you have to listen carefully, and after that you have to imitate, like how they are speaking, how they are pronouncing the words, right? So you have to just imitate them, just like you have to be a actor, and you have to acting at the time. The more you listen, the better you will get, right guys? Because listening is very important in spoken English, right? So listen every day, and after that imitate. And you can also record yourself while imitating, right? So it will be also better for you. So I hope you will understand. So let's move to our next plan. So guys, now I'm going to share on day 5. So on day 5, you have to speak without fear, because now it's time to talk, you know. So one thing that you can do, you can record yourself, or you can make your video, or you can talk with an AI application. You can chat with also AI, right? And you can also talk in front of the mirror. Whatever is convenient for you, you have to do that and try speak every day, you know, because practice more matter in spoken English, or not only spoken English but in every field, right? So you have to speak. And if you have any friends, so you can also talk with them, and it will be also best thing for you, right? And your friends can easily understand, and maybe they will also correct you. And one thing, guys, keep in your mind always, like, do not fear with mistakes, and don't think that yeah, oh sorry, I'm making mistakes, so I'm not going to speak, because like somebody will making fun of me. So it's okay, just let them go, and do not think about the fear and all. Just you have to speak. Your main focus is on speaking, and don't care about grammar, and like you're making mistakes, right? So I hope you understand. So let's move to our last tip. And finally, guys, we came our last day topic, like so our day 6 task is think in English, because thinking is more important, you know, in spoken English. So you have to think in English, and you'll be thinking that how to think. So you don't have to translate in your head, you know. What you have to do, only one thing, like whatever you are seeing around you, so you have to just describe. And one thing that you can do, you can also describe your day, and describe about your future plans, your best friend, or your best food, you know. If you like any places, so you can also describe any places, right? So whenever you are seeing, just like for example, take example with our room. So now like if I have a book, so I can easily say yes, I have a book, and I have a light, and so may I have a phone, you know. So many things, you know. So you have to just describe the things how and the best thing is that you can just take a one topic, like you can talk about the phone, and any teacher, if you like it, you know. And you can talk about your college. There are so many topics about your village, about your city, you know. So just think about it, and you can see, after thinking, your mind will be become a habitual of the way of thinking in English, and you'll be able to express yourself in a better way, right, guys? So guys, you can see how you can learn English in just 6 days, right? And don't forget, like practice is the key. The more you practice, the better you will speak, right? So guys, if you found this video helpful, so please do like, share, and subscribe. And if you have any questions, so you can write down in our comment, and I'll definitely try to answer your question. So guys, I will meet you in my next video. For the time being, keep practicing, keep learning, and stay positive. And thank you so much for watching this video.